How to see your Facebook password on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find your saved Facebook password through the Google Password Manager on your Android device. First, open the Google app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Manage Your Google Account to open your account settings. At this point, you'll see a row of tabs at the top. The first one is Personal Info, followed by Security and Sign-in, then Google Password, and then Third-Party Apps. In the next step, tap on the Security and Sign-in tab to open your security settings. Following this, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Once done, you'll find Google Password Manager at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to open it. From here, you'll see a full list of all your saved passwords to your Google account. At this stage, scroll through the list and look for Facebook. After this, tap on Facebook to open its saved credentials. Once completed, tap on the eye icon next to the password field to reveal your saved Facebook password. Finally, you may be prompted to verify your identity using your fingerprint or device PIN before the password is shown. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your saved Facebook password, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.